Why you never find it necessary to tell me? And when you see me a while ago, you go put point out gun out a window. Like nobody afraid of your brother, you're in a wheelchair. At the last night, boy, you they pull out gun. Remember say a wheelchair, you're in a batty boy.
Bumbo clot, what happened to Chopa that happened to you? Ramp with me. Cause you must swear. Say yo, that now go at me, you know. Dead, you go dead. I'm tell you that. You must feel like me no chattings with you.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online.
And the police say he's no stranger to them.
We now have economic growth, which for many years we didn't have. Our unemployment rate is at an historically low level. You know what the conversation is now? They can't find people to employ.
So I go on my people, respect for tuning into another video. But from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. Well, basically, Rygin King is in very serious trouble right now for backing gun and his baby mother. You see me I say, and his baby mother also came out and let it be known publicly. Also, Jahshii is just sending a message to all of his critics about his current situation. And Andrew Holness is basically saying the country's development is growing rapidly under governance. So people want to stay tuned for all of that. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing already. We are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we see where in which a video is circulating the internet with dancehall artist Rygin King's baby mother, claiming that the artist allegedly back gun pan her and check no her, you see me? But basically, people, it look like a Rygin King did a keep the baby, you see me I say? And me no know what go wrong, but something go wrong and the baby drop and lick out one in front teeth. So the baby mother basically I say, Rygin King never tell her nothing about that. Rygin King uncle tell her say the baby drop and bruise up him face, you see me? And him never even mention nothing about that. So right now the baby mother vex and a vent out and attack beer things, you see me I say? But here what people, me I go just make you check out the video what really I go on in the phone yourself and come right back. So here what, check it out.
You said the kid drop and bruise up him face. Why you never feel like say necessary for you call me and tell me say the baby front teeth drop out? Tell me. Why you never find it necessary to tell me? And when you see me a while ago, you go put point out gun out a window. Like nobody afraid of your brother, you're in a wheelchair. You're in a wheelchair, what is wrong with you? I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of you, bro. I'm not afraid of you. I'm going to report you. You're too outside. I'm going to go report you. I'm going to go report your woman. God no. You always try me from a baby born till now. You always try me, but I can't tell you right now. I done it done. This is not going to happen next time. It's not going to happen. Because there is no way. My baby are 2 years old. My baby are just 2 years old. And me go pick up my son from you. Me go pick up my son from you. And my baby front teeth drop. You're not even have a decency to say, okay, let me call the mother, inform her about what's going on. Yes, kids do fall, things happen, mistakes do happen. But me and the mother, if it was a mistake, you would have called me and tell me, say, yes, the baby front teeth drop out when he drop. And his face bruise up. Hey, bro, you cross me, bro. And anything you want to come on the internet, can say right now, bro, you're free to do it. But remember, say, I bring down for bring down. I bring down for bring down, yeah. Remember, me tell her that. No mother never did make that slide, you hear that? No mother never did I go allow that for slide. Una been a fuck with me, una been a fuck with me. I'm just easy, I'm just calm see, I'm not do the most. All of my friends them know when I have to go through with Uno. But I can tell you this at the last sight, Rygin. You, at the last sight, boy, you they pull out gun. Remember say a wheelchair you're in a batty boy. Remember wheelchair you're in a year, nobody not afraid of you. I don't afraid of you. And that when you take out the gun just now, you should have shoot me, kill me. And that you should have do. I don't know if you feel like I'm afraid I am and you desire that. Listen to me though, cross my blood class spirit here. And me wait for you because you're a girl and I know you love to argue. So I know you go come back and want to say this and say that. But remember good here. Remember. I can't if you, hey, I say. Hold on. Mama see if I can share. See it there? So I be able to face there. I be able to face that. I'm be able to face that, yeah. See, you know, I be able to mouth there. See, you know, my son mouth there. What you go tell me, say, a dropping drop.
I see a wheelchair man like me. Expensive drip. Let me tell you that. The girl a suck cocky all when he dead. God boss me head. You don't know. Tell me that. The ball. Me tell you that. You hear that?
So basically now, my people, only hear everything we're going to say, you see me? And my viewpoint on it is, me realize that nowadays, with every little thing where people have in them relationship and also private domain, etc., them feel like say them have to bring it on social media, you see me I say? And that are my first issue with the thing. And basically people, me agree that communication in a relationship is necessary, especially when a baby is involved, you see me I say? Even though Rygin King and his baby mother is not together anymore, you don't know them share a child together. So if a little thing go on with the child and him drop and them thing there, me fully agree say it is fair for Rygin King reach out and make the baby mother know what really a go on overall. You see me I say, even though you don't know how man go to work already, especially artists. Artists is well egotistic. You see me I say, so probably him a tell himself say him no or no obligation and him not have to tell her nothing. You see me? And of course any mother would really feel a way if know say them pick me drop and lick out in front teeth. You see me? But for the baby mother forward out and I bring it on a level where gun argument and bring down argument in it kind of sound loose. You see me I say, when you quote unquote bring down your baby father, then who are going to help contribute to the youth growth and development? It just no make no sense. You see me? So basically me feel like a thing like this, you have to keep off of the internet and fix on a thing privately before you get each other in a trouble. Because certain things when me really hear in another video there, it never sound right for Rygin King as an artist. You see me? Them gun thing there and them check no thing there and so forth. You see me I say it not really sound good overall, people. And basically, in my own personal opinion, this is not something where me think Rygin King should have follow up or even entertain publicly either. You see me? Yeah, because at the end of the day, you name Rygin King and you have a legacy to live for. So you can't make, because of what a woman is saying publicly, draw you out into any madness. You see it? So most me can tell them people is to go fix things privately before both of them regret it. You see me I say? But here what I go on now, people. I want you to tell me what you think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it, you see me I say. But anyways, coming up in this other news. Well, basically, people, we see where in which dancehall artist Jahshii is putting out a new single, yeah, a new track adjusting its critics and current situation. Where you don't know, people did say, yeah, him wanted and them thing there. You see me I say? So people, it look like Jahshii decided finally to put that ordeal into music. So we see where in which him preview a new song where I go drop soon. You see me I say? And I have a piece of the intro where I go share with you people, so just check this out.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online.
And the police say he's no stranger to them.
Hand over yourself peacefully.
Stop me from achieve my bread and my little son Jahshii from achieving goal. From Jahshii 4 years old, him a fight for him goal and now him get it. Why them want hold down my pick them man? Why them want hold him down? As we say already, I'm going to say it again. We're going to find Proverbs 12 and read 22 to 28.
So yes, my people, as you can see, the title of that track is gonna be False Alarm. So as soon as it drop, we are gonna keep you all posted and informed about what really happened this year. You see me I say? But right now, we are gonna move on to what Andrew Holness is saying. So yes, my people, so Prime Minister Andrew Holness had made a speech. You see me I say? Where him basically I say, he will make a positive contribution to the island of Jamaica. And changes are being made slowly but surely. You see me I say? So where him basically I say is certain rates really are go down, or should I say certain problematic rates are go down. You see me I say them are decreased slowly but surely. You see me I say. But here what people, we are gonna make you hear from Andrew Holness himself. You see me I say what really are going, and then you can draw your own conclusion if what him say is valid or invalid. So here what people, check it out.
We now have economic growth, which for many years we didn't have. Even though it is small now, we still have economic growth. And the economic growth has surpassed pre-pandemic economic growth. No other country in the region can claim that. Our unemployment rate is at an historically low level, around about 7%. You know what the conversation is now? They can't find people to employ. The business people can't find workers. That wasn't the conversation 6-7 years ago. We have endured the worst global health and economic crisis in a century without triggering a debt or balance of payment or a currency crisis. Nobody is even talking about the dollar. Dollar is stable. Our exports increased by more than 50% for January and February this year in comparison to the same period last year. Our net international reserves, as at the 31st of March 2023, stood at 4.15 billion United States dollars, an increase of 38% from pre-COVID levels. No other administration could find $100 billion to increase public sector wages. Do not take it for granted. Argue over how it is distributed and all the other issues. But by God, man, what is the nature of the thing? You know, it's what have you done lately? So I have to constantly be reminding, yes, this is what we have done, this is what we are doing, this is what is to come. Because in a time of difficulty...
So yes, my people, that is what Prime Minister Andrew Holness is saying. I want you to tell me your honest opinion. You see me, I say, what you really think about where I said this? So? Is it all facts or not? Also, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, and give this video a like. Yeah, just give it a like right now. And share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing already. We have come to the end of the video. So peace, love, protection, bless. I'm out.